Hey folks, Nick Foster here. Got off a little early today and come home and there was a package here, so I want to do a little unboxing for y'all. I know I'm pretty excited about this. I think y'all will be too. So let me show you what we're getting into. Picked this up pretty darn cheap, I'd say, especially if it turns out to be what it is, and it's a runner. Which I might be getting it from the bottom. Yep. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be cool. I think y'all enjoy this. We got us another Stihl. It is a Stihl 042. Supposed to be a runner. Picked this up off the eBay for I think $125. Don't know much about them at all. It's not perfect. It's definitely seen some use before, but it's in pretty good shape, I'd say. Like I said, I really don't know much about it, but I know it's a porker, kind of heavy for 66 cc's or whatever they are, but we'll let's see if it'll pop off. Let's see how the compression is. Compression's good. Not too bad. So let's see if it'll start. Let's see. Choke. Maybe we'll flip it up to start. I really don't know much about these. So that's stop. That's choke. It may not. Put it on the ground here. Don't believe we're starting. Granted, it may not have any fuel left in the line, so no, it's bone dry. I'll put a gallon, or not a gallon, but I'll put a little bit on there. See what we come up with. But yeah, I'm excited for this little guy on the camera. I'm starting to actually get into these older Stihls. Pretty well just the O series, 041s, 042s, 044s, 056s, 051s, 045s, stuff like that. Not much onto these other ones, but yeah, I'm starting to like these older ones. So, but hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll try to start it here off camera, and like what you see, hit that like button, that thumbs up. Want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and if y'all need anything, please hit me up in the comments. Thanks, y'all.